hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck.
Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 74 Fears Road. This place is screaming opportunity that you need to check out. Needs a bit of work here and there, but this house is ready for you to put your touch on it. We've got a 3-bedroom home sitting on 736 square metre section, but the gem with this house is out the back. Let's go and have a look. Check out this great sized family pool with a bit of work would be fantastic in summer. That's enough from me. Let's go through and have a look.
But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. Now I'm dying when you call me yours. Pour my heart out on the kitchen floor, cause oh my God, I'm seeing stars with you. Where did this come from? Lightning